breaking. Tell me the simplest form.
2 root 30.
2 root 30, yeah?
Yes.
4 into 30. So split this 120 as 4 into 30 divided by 3, and now apply the square root to both the numbers. So square root of 4 into square root of 30 by 3. What is square root of 4? It is 2.
2, ma'am.
So 2 root 30
2,
by
ma'am.
3.
Root 30
So
by
this
2.
is the answer. Okay. Next problem. Third one. 3 plus root 2 by 4 root 2. Yes. Rationalize the denominator. Here denominator is an irrational number. So rationalize. By what number we should multiply and divide here?
4
Multiply
root
and
2.
by root 2, ma'am.
4 root 2 or root 2. Root 2 is
Root
enough.
2, ma'am.
Okay.
2, ma'am.
Multiply and divide by root 2. So 3 plus root 2 into root 2 by 4 root 2 into root 2. Okay, next multiply this root 2 inside this bracket. Root 2 into 3 is 3 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is, what is root 2 into root 2?
Root 4, 2.
Square root of 4, 2. Divided by, and what about denominator? 4 into root 2 into root 2 is 2.
2.
Okay,
2,
which is
ma'am.
equal to 3 root 2
8,
plus 2 by 8. Okay. And next question number 4. 16 by root 41 minus 5.
16 by root 41 minus 5 into root 41 plus 5 divided by root 41 plus 5.
Okay, root 41 plus 5. Multiply the numerator 16 into root 41 plus 5. And what about denominator? This is of a minus b into a plus b form. What
Root
is a
41
minus
the
b
whole
into a plus
square
b?
and 5 minus 5 the whole square.
Okay, so a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So root 41 minus 5 into root 41 plus 5, which is equal to root 41 the whole square minus 5 the whole square. And what about numerator? Multiply the 16 inside this bracket. 16 root 41 plus, what is 16 into 5?
80.
80. So 16 root 41 plus 80 by, and what about denominator? Root 41 the whole
41.
square. What is
41
41 the whole
minus
square?
5.
41. Root
Minus
41 the whole
25.
square is
Minus
41 minus 25. So what is 41 minus 25? 23, yeah?
16.
16,
Okay.
ma'am.
16,
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
We can cancel, ma'am, the 16, 16 and 80 as 5.
Yes. You can cancel this. How will you cancel, children?
Root 41 plus
16 root
5.
41 by 16 plus 80 by 16. Like this only you have to cancel. Don't do like this. That is wrong. Okay, this 16 is common for both 16 root 41 and 80. Okay. Now cancel 16 and 16 will be cancelled. So 41
Root
plus, and
41
what
plus
about this one?
5, sir, ma'am.
8
16
by
5, sir, 80.
5.
5, ma'am.
Okay. Next question number 7. Question number 5. Root 6 by root 2 plus root 3. Don't answer, children. Wait. Kevin. Kevin, unmute. Kevin, unmute and answer for this problem. Kirti Pravina, will you answer? Kirti Pravina. Kirtana. Sanjeshwaran. Ma, okay, answer. Yes, ma, what is the conjugate of root 2 plus root 3 here?
Root 2 minus root 3.
Root 2 minus root 3. So multiply and divide by root 2 minus root 3. Okay. Okay, after this, multiply the numerator root 6 into root 2 minus root 3 by, what about the
Root 2 the
denominator?
whole
A
square
minus b into
minus
root
root
2
3
the
the whole
whole
square.
square minus root 3 the whole square. Okay. And next, root 6 into root 2 minus root 3 by, and what is root 2 the whole square?
2 minus 3, ma'am.
2. 2 minus 3. Which is equal to root 6 into root 2 minus root 3 by, and 2 minus
Minus
3. What
1.
is 2 minus 3?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay, next, take this minus to the numerator, children. So, minus root 6 into root 2 minus root 3. And next, multiply this minus root 6 inside this bracket. Multiply minus root 6 with this root 2
Minus root 12.
minus root 12.
Minus
And
root
next,
12
multiply this minus root 6 with this minus root 3 plus
Plus
18.
root
18.
18.
Plus 18.
18. Okay,
Root
can
18.
we write this as root 18 minus root 12? First, write the positive term and then negative term. Okay.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt in these problems, children?
Oh, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Should we further simplify the root 18, ma'am, by splitting it?
Simplest form. Simplest
Yes,
form only,
ma'am.
no, Devi Priya. Simplest form in this will
Oh,
be the
ma'am,
simplest
like
form.
root 4 into root 3, like that.
That is what I'm saying. If
Root
you
12.
bring this to, if you write this in simplest form means you will get this answer only. Okay.
Yes,
This is the
ma'am.
simplest form of this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And then 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Yes, how to do this problem?
Into 2 plus root 3.
Multiply into 2
Into?
plus root 3. And
Multiply
divide.
and
Yes.
divide.
So 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Okay, multiply by 2 plus root 3 with both numerator and denominator. And then children,
That
multiply
is a
these
plus
two.
b the whole
2
square,
plus
ma'am.
root 3. Yes. 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 is 2 plus root 3 the whole square.
Whole
Okay,
square.
otherwise you can use binomial multiplication also. Okay. And next, what about denominator? What? 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus
X
root
square
3.
is X square minus B square.
What formula we have to use for the denominator? A minus
Square
b
minus
into
b square.
a plus b. So what is a minus b into a plus b?
A square
A square
minus
minus B
A
square, ma'am.
square minus b square. Okay, now apply this formula and tell me a square. What is a value here? 2 and b value is root 3.
Minus
So
root
a
3.
square means 2 square minus b square minus root 3 the whole square. And what about denominator? Can we use a plus b the whole square formula to expand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell
2
me the formula.
square.
A plus b
2
the whole
square
square.
into 2 into
First
2
of all,
into
tell me. First of
A
all,
square
tell
plus
me the
2ab
formula.
plus B square, ma'am.
Plus b square. Yes, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a value is 2. So a square is 2 square plus 2ab. 2 into root 3
Root 3.
plus
Root 3 square.
root
3
3
square is root 3 the whole square.
Whole square.
This is equal to 2 square is 4 and multiply this 2 into
4
2
root 3.
into root 3. Root 12,
4
is it root
3.
12 or 4 root 3?
4 root 3.
Multiply these 3.
4 root
4
3,
root 3,
ma'am.
ma'am.
2 root 3,
4 root
4
3.
root 3, ma'am.
4 root 3. Okay, 4
Plus
root
3,
3
ma'am.
plus root 3
3.
the whole square is 3.
3.
Whole divided by
By
2
1.
square is 4 minus root 3 the whole square is 3.
4 minus 3,
4
ma'am.
plus
7 plus 4 root 3 by 1.
7 plus 4 root 3 by 1.
Which
This
is
is the
equals to
answer.
7 plus 4 root 3, ma'am.
Okay, which is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay. And then 3 root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Rationalize the denominator.
Root 5 plus root 3.
Yes, conjugate of this is root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. Multiply the numerator. Multiply the numerators. 3 root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3 whole divided by, and denominator, if you multiply denominator means what you will get, children? Which formula we should use here for the denominator?
A
A
square
plus
minus
B
B
into A
square.
minus B.
Yes, so a square, root 5 the whole square, minus b square is root 3 the whole
Root 3 the
square.
whole square.
Okay. Now multiply these two. Binomial. Yes.
4 root 5
How will you
plus
multiply?
2 root 3, ma'am.
Multiply this 3 root 5 with this root 5 plus root 3 first. Okay. 3 root 5 into root 5 is 3 into 5.
5.
Next
15,
multiply this 3 root 5 with this root 3.
9 root 5.
9
Sorry,
root
ma'am.
5.
Sorry,
But
ma'am.
how
Sorry,
will
ma'am.
you
Sorry, ma'am.
multiply?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
3 root 5 into root
3
3
root
is plus
15
Root 15.
3 root 15.
plus 3.
Okay. And next multiply this root 3 with this root 5 and root 3, children. Root 3 into root 5 is root 15. Okay. And next root 3 into root 3.
3, ma'am.
Root 3 into root 3 is 3.
3, ma'am.
3. Divided by, what about this root 5 the whole square, ma?
5 minus 3.
3, ma'am.
5. Minus root 3 the whole square is 3. Okay. So multiply 3 into 5 is 15 plus, and we can add these two, right? These two are like terms. 3 root 15 plus
4
root
root
15
15.
is
4 root
4 root
4 root
15. Good. 4 root 15 plus 3
plus
by
3.
denominator is 2.
2,
Okay.
ma'am.
And
can
now
add
add
15.
15 and
18 plus
yes, now add 15 and 3.
18 plus 4 root 15.
18 plus 4 root 15.
18
15,
plus
ma'am.
4 root 15
By
by
2.
2. Can
By
we
2.
take
Can
something
cancel,
from the
1
numerator?
plus 2
Can we
root
take
We
something
can
common from the numerator? Which number can be taken as common here from the numerator, children?
2, ma'am.
8.
2. Okay, take 2
9,
as common. So balance 9 plus
2 root
2 root
15.
5. 2 root 15,
15,
yes,
ma'am.
by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. So answer is 9 plus 2 root 15.
2.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we do in the previous method what you said, ma'am?
Which one, ma?
Like splitting them into 2, like 18 by 2 plus 4
Yeah,
root
you can do
15 by
like that
2.
also. Yes,
Then also we'll
yes,
get
yes.
the same answer only, no, ma'am.
Same answer only you'll get. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And next is find the values of A and B. First question, 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to A minus 6 root 3. Sorry, A minus B root 3. B only, right? Not B, 6 marks. Sorry, this is 6. A minus 6 root 3.
We have to
Okay,
first
how to do this
rationalize the
problem?
denominator, ma'am.
Rationalize the denominator. Okay, first simplify the left hand side. We have to rationalize the denominator. 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3. What is conjugate of 7 plus 4 root 3?
7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3.
Yes, 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3, which is equal to A minus 6 root 3. Okay, and next multiply the numerators.
We should
5
not find
plus
B,
2
ma'am.
root 3. What, ma?
How we can find B, ma'am?
B. Here B is not there.
ma'am.
Here B is not there. In this question B is not there. Okay. So
Okay.
7 minus 4 root 3 by, and what about denominator? My A plus B into A minus B.
7 square
7 square
Plus
minus
4
4 root
minus
3 the whole square.
7 square minus 4 root 3 the whole square, which is equal to a minus 6 root 3. Now multiply these two. Multiply this 5 with this 7 minus 4 root 3 first. 7 into 5 is 35. Next multiply this 5 with
35.
this minus 4 root 3. Yes, next
So what is
multiply
20
this
root
5 with this
20
minus
root
4 root
3.
3.
minus
Minus
20 root
20 root 3. And then multiply this 2 root 3 with this 7 and 4 root 3. 2
plus
root 3
4
into 7
root 3
plus 14
root
root
3
3
minus 8 root 3.
3, ma'am.
minus 8 root 3. Huh?
Yes.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
minus 8 root 3 will
No,
come?
ma'am.
Minus 24.
24, ma'am.
See, 2 root 3 into 4 root 3. 2 into 4 is 8. What is root 3 into root 3? It is 3.
3, ma'am.
3, ma'am.
24.
So 8 into 3 is 24. 2 root 3 into minus 4 root 3 value is 24. Okay, whole divided by 7 square is 49 minus 4 root 3 the whole square. 4 root 3 into 4 root 3.
16 into
First
3, ma'am.
multiply these two. 4 into 4 is 16. Root 3 into root 3
16.
is 3. So 16 into 3 is what? 48.
48.
Okay. Which is equal to a minus 6 root 3. And then simplify the numerator, children. 35 minus 24. What is 35 minus 24?
11, ma'am.
9.
11.
7, ma'am.
11. Yes. Minus 20 root
6
3
root
plus
3,
14
ma'am.
root 3. Ma?
Minus 6 root
Plus
3.
6 root 3 or minus 6 root 3. Good. Divided by 49 minus 48 is 1. Which is equal to
1.
a minus 6 root 3. Okay, now equate these two, compare these two better. In the place of a, we have 11.
11.
So a value is what?
A equal to
11. That's what. A value is 11. Can you able to understand this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just
Yes,
copy
ma'am.
this?
Completed, ma'am.
Completed. Okay.
Ma'am, when should we come and get our uniforms in school, ma'am?
I will tell you, Ramaragavi. Just call me today at 5 o'clock, okay? I have to ask
Yes, ma'am.
admin department.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question.
Ma'am, in yesterday's homework, last sum,
Mm.
I wrote the answer,
From
ma'am,
which
but I don't
topic I gave
understand.
homework? No. From which topic I gave homework
Rational
yesterday?
Number systems, ma'am.
Number
number
system.
system.
Okay, which
Like this
problem
only
da?
rational. Fourth
Fourth
one.
one. Write the rational number that are equal to their reciprocals. What is the answer? Minus 1 and plus 1 only. Minus 1 and plus 1. Is this correct, children? Minus 1 and plus 1. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Hmm?
Ma'am, like 1 by 1 means it is 1.
Minus, first of all, minus 1 and 1 are rational number, right? So what is the reciprocal of minus 1? It is minus 1 only, no? And 1's reciprocal is 1 only, no? Any other number is there? If I take 2, 2 is a rational number. And what about reciprocal? What about reciprocal of
1 by
2?
2.
1 by
1 by
2,
2. But
ma'am.
these two are not same, right? But
Yes,
in this
ma'am.
case,
I
minus
wrote
1 and
only
1.
1 by 1.
Answer is minus 1 and plus 1. Like this question you may get in MCQs, okay? And then second question. 3
Ma'am,
minus root 5 by, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
question paper, I have doubted it. 27th sum, ma'am.
27 unit test 2
Hmm.
question paper. Okay, wait,
Yes, ma'am.
I'll take. Hmm. 27, what is the question?
Ma'am, assertion and reason, ma'am.
27. If A is not equal to B, then A comma B not equal to B comma A, and 4 comma minus 3 lies in quadrant 4. So assertion doubt, you have doubt in assertion,
Yes, ma'am.
in which you have doubt, assertion and reason.
Assertion only, ma'am. Assertion.
Assertion, what is given here, A is not equal to B, then A comma B is not equal to B comma A. Is this statement is true, children? First of all, tell me whether it is true or false.
It is false, ma'am.
It is false. How it is false?
It is true, ma'am.
Ma'am, if A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 4, ma'am, we can also write
Okay.
4 comma 5, ma'am. But it will come in same quadrant only, no, ma'am.
First of all, A is not
It will
equal
come
to
in.
B is given. Okay, you are saying A is equal to 4 and you have taken B is equal to 5, right? So 4 is not equal to 5. And A comma B means 4 comma 5 is not equal to 5 comma 4. Statement is true
That
only,
only I wrote
no?
false.
Why you wrote false? The given statement, they have given not equal to, they have given correctly only, no? Why you wrote false? Why you wrote false, da? Pavan Kumar?
Ma'am, I thought it was in same quadrant, ma'am.
No, no,
Ma'am,
no.
that
Both
means
will
if
come
they
in.
give A is -5 and B is 2 means if we swap it also it will come in the third and second and the fourth
Minus
quadrant,
5.
ma'am.
A is minus 5 and B is minus 2.
Plus 2, ma'am. That means it will
Plus
come
2.
in second and fourth quadrant, no, ma'am. So it will be not equal. So that's true, ma'am.
True only.
Ma'am,
Statement
and the
A and B
reason
both
is
are true.
not the correct explanation of assertion only, no, ma'am.
Yes, they have given not, right? It is not the correct explanation.
Ma'am, then what?
Correct? No, it is not the correct explanation. But stay assertion is true, da. Reason is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
true only. But both statement A, sorry, both assertion and reason are true. But R is not the correct explanation of A. Okay, answer is
Okay,
option
ma'am.
C for that. Not option C, B, B.
Option B,
Option B.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
anything else?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, second question. 3 minus root 5 by 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to A root 5 minus 19 by 11. Okay, do this problem and tell me the answer fast. Let me see who's going to give answer first. Do this problem, children. 3 minus root 5 by 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to A root 5 minus 19 by 11. We will see whether B section is going to give answer first or C section. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. But I'm expecting answer from B section. I'm expecting first answer from B section.
is equal to 9.
A is equal to 9.
Yes.
How many of you are getting answer A is equal to 9? Even I don't know the answer. Just tell me, after that I will do. How many of you are getting A is equal to 9?
Ma'am, I am also getting as A is equal to 9 only, ma'am.
Two girls are getting A is equal to 9. Then anybody else? Okay, I'll do this problem. Here you have to rationalize the denominator. 3 minus root 5 by 3 plus 2 root 5. What is the conjugate of 3 plus root 5? So 3 plus 2 root 5, ma? Conjugate of 3 plus 2
9
root
only,
5
ma'am.
is? Okay.
3 minus 2
So
root 5.
3 minus 2 root 5 by 3 minus 2 root 5 is equal to A root 5 minus 19 by 11. And next multiply the numerators. 3 minus root 5 into 3 minus 2 root 5 by A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. So 3 square minus B is 2 root 5. So 2 root 5 the whole square. A square minus B square, which is equal to A root 5 minus 19 by 11. Now multiply the numerators. 3 into 3 is 9.
9, ma'am.
3 into minus 2 root 5 is minus 6 root 5. And then multiply this root
Minus
5 with
3
this
root
3
5.
and 2 root 5. Minus 3
Minus
root
3
5.
root.
Then minus root 5 into minus 2 root 5, ma?
Plus 10.
Minus plus 10. Are you sure plus 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 10. Yes. Divided by 3 square is 9. Minus what is 2 root 5 the whole square, ma? 2 root 5 the
20,
whole
ma'am.
square. 2 square is 4. Into root 5
Into
the
5,
whole square is 5.
20.
So 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, is equal to A root 5 minus 19 by 11. Next 9 plus 10. Add these two. 9 plus 10 is
19, ma'am.
By
19. Minus 6 root 5 minus 3 root 5 is minus 9 root 5 divided by 9 minus 20 is minus 11. Which is equal to A root 5 minus
11.
19 by 11. Okay. And now can we divide each term of the numerator with minus 11 now? 19 by minus 11,
Yes, ma'am.
which is minus 19 by 11, minus 9 root 5 by minus 11 is equal to A root 5 minus 19 by 11. So are we getting answers, children?
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
we'll
it
get.
is confusing.
minus
No,
19
no, no.
came.
Yeah, no, answer. We got the answer. See, I have divided each term of the numerator with minus 11 like this. Minus 19 by 11, minus 9 root 5 by minus 11. Okay. So minus 19 by 11.
Minus
This
9 by
minus
11
into
is the
minus.
answer, ma'am.
Minus 9 by 11 or plus 9 by 11?
Plus 9 by 11, ma'am. Minus
Plus
minus
9
will
by
get
11.
cancelled.
Yes. Minus into minus is plus. 9 root 5 by 11 is equal to A root 5 minus 19 by 11. Okay. So can we write this first, this positive term first and then the negative term second, children? 9 root 5 by 11 minus 19 by 11. First write the positive term and then write the negative term. Is equal to A root 5 minus 19 by 11. Okay. And after this,
Ma'am, 11
now
common, ma'am.
compare. Now compare. See, here
9.
root 5 coefficient is A and here root 5 coefficient is what? 9 by 11. So A is equal to what? 9 by
9.
11. 9 by 11. How 9 will come? Hmm?
Ma'am, I
A is equal to
understand
9 by 11. Is this clear,
because
children?
yes,
Yes? Okay. Copy this.
I ignored to write the 11 because it was there in that 19 by 11.
So I write as 9 itself.
Completed.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Mm. Next question. Third one. Root 2 plus root 3 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to 2 minus b root 6. Okay, take conjugate. Root 2 plus root 3 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into what is conjugate of 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3?
Plus 2 root 3,
2
ma'am.
plus 2 root 3.
2
3
plus 2
root 2 plus 2 root 3 by
by
3 root
3
2 plus 2 root 3 is equal to 2 minus b into root 6. Okay, now multiply the numerators. Root 2 plus root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by, and what about denominator, ma? If you multiply, what answer
A
you will
plus
get?
B into A minus B, 9 root
Yes, a square minus b square. So 3 root 2 the whole square
2
minus 2
square
root
minus
3 the
2 with the
whole square
Whole square.
is equal to 2 minus b root 6. Okay, next multiply these two. Root 2 into 3 root 2. First multiply this root 2 with
6,
this 3
ma'am.
root 2 and 2 root 3. 6, ah?
6,
Are you
ma'am.
sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
root 2 into 3 root 2 is 6. Next multiply this root 2 with this 2 root 3, ma.
2 root 6.
2 root 6, ma'am.
2
2
root
root 6.
6.
Root
Then
6.
multiply this root 3 with these two. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 into 3 root 2 is
3 root
3
6, ma'am.
Plus
root
3 root
6.
6.
Root 6.
Yes, root
Plus
3 into 2 root 3 is
Plus 6, ma'am.
2 into 3, which
6.
is 6, ma'am.
plus 6. Okay. Divided by
By
3 root 2 the whole square. Yes, square this, ma. 3 root
9
2 the whole
into
square.
2 is 18, ma'am. 18.
Yes, 9 into 2 minus 2 root 3 the whole square.
4 into 3.
12, ma'am.
4 into 3.
12,
Good.
ma'am.
Is equal to 2
18
minus
minus
b root 6.
Yes, 5 by 6.
The like terms will be 12 plus 5 root 6.
Okay, so 6 plus 6 is 12.
12.
Plus 2 root 6 plus 3 root
5
6
root
is
6.
5 root 6. Divided
by
by
12.
9 2s are 18
minus
minus 4
Minus
3s
12.
are 12.
6, ma'am.
6, ma'am.
2 minus b root 6. Okay, so after this 12 plus 5 root 6 by what is 18 minus 12, ma?
6, ma'am.
6 is equal to 2 minus b root 6. Now you have to divide each and every term of numerator with this 6. Okay, so 12 by 6
By 6.
plus 5 root 6 by 6
Ma'am,
is
is it
equal to 2
minus 5 by
minus
3,
b root
ma'am?
6. Where minus 7 by 3?
Minus 5 by 3, ma'am.
Minus 5 by 3. How minus 5 by 3 will come?
B as minus 5 by 6, ma'am.
Minus 5 by 6 is the correct answer. See, first cancel
Yes,
the
ma'am.
6 and 12. So you'll get 2 plus 5 by 6 into root 6 is equal to 2 minus b root 6. Now compare left hand side and right hand side. See, 2 and 2 can be cancelled. And then
5 by
root 6 can be cancelled. In the right hand side we have minus b, whereas in the left hand side we got what? 5 by 6. So from this b value is
minus 5
what?
by 6.
Minus 5 by
Minus
6.
5 by 6.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
copy this.
cancelled 2 and 6, ma'am. I didn't see the plus sign in between.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got B as minus 5 by 6, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I also got it.